Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe, I'm going to show you on how to make matoke with beef. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. So for this recipe, you'll need some matokes, which are green bananas, and potatoes, and also carrots. You'll start by peeling all the ingredients as shown in this video. After peeling all the ingredients, you're going to wash them. I washed them 2 times. This is the second time I'm washing them. Then I'm going to strain the water and set them aside. So in a pan or in a pot, you're going to heat some 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You're going to let that heat well. Then I'm going to fry in some onions. I've used green onion, but you can either use red onion or whatever onion you wish. Then I'm going to saute that for a while. After that, we're going to add in some tomatoes. I've used one large tomato, which I've grated it. You can also decide to blend or cut the way it is and fry. We're going to let the tomato cook until it is tender. Then I'm going to add some salt and bell pepper. At this point, you can also add spices of your choice, but I didn't want any spice on my matoke, so I decided to cook it the way it is. You're going to saute that for a while. Then I'm going to add some beef, which I've already boiled. You're going to let the beef cook with the tomato sauce until it is well combined. At this point, our beef is ready. As you can see, it is well cooked. Then at this point, we're going to add in the matoke and the potato mixture. So we're going to transfer them in the pot as shown in this video. You'll then add some enough water for boiling. After that, we're going to cover the pot and let the matoke cook under medium heat until they're well cooked. You'll then uncover the pot and check if the matokes are well cooked. After that, you're going to give it a good mix as shown in this video. At this point, you're going to add in some beef stock, which I forgot to take that part of adding the stock. So you're going to add the beef stock and give it a good mix. Then you're going to cover the pot and let it slow cook for about 10 minutes. Guys, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. We're going to give that a mix after adding the beef stock and let it cook for a while. As you can see, our matokes are well cooked. So lastly, we're going to add in some fresh coriander leaves, give that a mix, and our matoke will be ready to be served. To be honest, this meal is so delicious. Kindly do try and let me know in the comment section after trying. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn to make their own matokes at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.